Hey guys, just showing you real quick. Sometimes you buy some honey, and we buy it in a jug. We like our honey, so it gets a little coagulated in the bottom. If you look in here, and focus, please. Hello. There we go. So you can see that's not going to come out of there. So in order to get your honey liquid again, and so it's easier to use and pour out of there so you can get it all out of the jar, got a pan of water here, and excuse me, just set that in there, and you want the water level to go right about around where the honey is. Just put it on low. It's going to take a little while. Basically it's just going to warm up the honey. You don't want to turn on too hot or anything, just as low as your thing will go. And after a while, you can keep checking on it. Excuse me. Goodness. It'll all melt the honey down to a nice liquid. When that's done, just seal it up again, and it should last about a month or so like that if you have to do it again. I don't think this hurts the honey at all. It's just warming it up so it's easier to work with. So that's what I do to access the honey that gets hardened, and you can do that. Like this little guy, if I have just a little bit left, usually on the bottom, it'll get kind of difficult to work with. So I'll just add some like hot water there, just wash it around, and just use that for my tea or whatever. So thought I'd let you guys know how I do that. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and everybody take care out there. We'll see you later. Alright guys, so here, this is what I'm talking about. It's been a few minutes, probably about 20 minutes or so, but now the honey is all nice and liquid, as you can see. You can look in there and you can see that it is all that stuff that was in there was all nice and runny, and we're good to go. So that's how it looks like when it's done. Just takes a little bit of time on low heat and you are good to go. So thanks for watching guys, we'll see you later.